What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing the Edge from the WWE. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of our page with the bottom edge of the brow. Let's leave a gap in the center. Let's start over on the left side. We want to draw a curve that goes up and then we'll bend that out towards the side. Let's line this point up on the right side and do the same thing. We're going to go up and then bend that out. Now we want to go back to the inside and curl up the brow. Starting on the left, bend this in and then up. Do the same thing on the right. Now let's add some thickness to the eyebrow. Starting from the outside, go up, and just pull that in toward the inside of the brow. And then we'll tuck the eyes in underneath the eyebrow. From the outside, let's step in, draw a circle, going all the way around, and then back up on the inside. Now you want to shift the pupils towards the inside. Let's start on the left with a small circle, and we'll fill that in black. Let's line this up on the right and do the same thing. Now I'm going to move to the center and draw the bottom edge of the nose. Starting over on the left, go down in the middle, and then back up. Now you want to step up and draw a short curve going up and down across the bridge of the nose. Let's add a fold along the inside of the eye, coming down and then out. Now from here, we're going to move down and shift the mouth over towards the right. So we'll start on the left side, then the mouth going out. Just pull that up a little bit higher on the right side. Let's step down, draw a short curve in the middle for the lower lip. Now on the corners of the mouth, we'll bend this out and then down, across the edge of the mustache. Let's go back to the corners of the mouth, curve this down, and just tuck that up underneath the lip. Now I'm going to move out to the side and draw the bottom half of the head. Starting from the outside left eye, let's step out. I'm going to curve this down. Now I want to extend the beard, coming down and then in toward the center point. Go over towards the right and do the same thing. Coming down and then bending that in. Let's go to the left side of the nose, bend the mustache, going out and then down. And then over on the right, just going to bend this out around the eye and then down. Let's go back to the side. We're just going to bend this out and then up towards the side of the head. And do the same thing on the right. Now from the side of the head, we're going to work our way up towards the top of the hairline. Starting on the left, go up, and just bend that in around the eyebrows. Let's add another curve, going out and then back in towards the top. And then from the top, I'm just going to come in and then bend that down toward the center point. And now we're going to go up to the side and draw on the ears. Let's start on the left, bend the ear going up, round this out, and then pull that back in towards the side of the head. Let's line this up on the right. And we'll add a fold across the top of the ear, bring this up and then out. Go back to the inside and draw a hook, going out and then in. Now we're going to draw the side of the hair going around the ears. From the top point, let's step out, bend this out, go around the ear, and then in. Let's do the same thing on the right, going around the ear, and then bending that in. Let's curl this back out and add a point. Come in and then up. Now from the inside of the hair, let's step down, curve down, and then in. Bend that back up and in. Step down, curve in and up underneath the head. Now I'm going to add a fold along the side of the head, starting up here, and then out, and then down. And now we're going to add some layers across the top of the head. Let's move over toward the left, bend this up, in, and then down. Let's move to the outside and draw another curve, going up, across the middle, and then down. Let's go to the right side, going up, in, and then down. And then we'll close off the top with one curve. Now from here, we're going to move down and draw on the side of the body. Let's start over on the left side, just underneath the head, bend the body going out, and then down towards the hip. Line this up on the right, and then bring that down towards the same height. Let's connect the hips with a curve. Let's draw the bottom edge of the chest with the curve going up in the middle, and back down. And then in the center, just underneath the head, draw a straight line coming down. Now from the center of the body, let's step down, add a curve, going up and then down. Let's leave a small gap in the center, go to the left side, bend the leg going out and down towards the left heel. Move over towards the right, go out and down towards the right heel. And now we want to round out the bottom of the feet. Let's start from the left heel, curve the foot, coming down and then up. Let's go back to the left side, draw the top of the foot. We're going to go up, and we'll bend that down, aiming towards the heel. We want to leave a gap on the inside. It's like drawing a half circle. Now let's go back up to the hips, draw the outside of the leg, and bend this out, and then come down on top of the feet. And then we'll add a thick sole along the bottom of the feet. So we'll take this curve, step up, and just trace that across. Now I want to add some more detail to the legs. Let's start with the top edge of the boot, starting from the outside, curve this down and then up. And line that up on the right side. In the center, draw two short lines coming down, and then we'll close off the bottom. Let's add another one along the top of the boot cup, coming down at an angle, and we'll close that off. And we'll draw a simple flame pattern on the side of the leg. Let's start from the outside, come up and in, and then bend that back up. We'll do the opposite on the right side. Now from the top, come down and then up toward the side of the leg. Now we're going to move back up to the top and draw on the arms. Let's start halfway down the side of the body. Start right here, bend the arm going out, and then down towards the wrist, and line that up on the right side. From the wrist, draw a small half circle for the thumb, and we'll close off the end with a bracket. Now you want to add 3 fingers on either side. Let's start from the bottom curve of the thumb, come down, just bend this up around that bracket. Step down, go out, and then bend that up. And then the third finger, we're going to go out, bend the arm going up and in underneath the hair. Now we're going to add in the wristband. Starting from the top of the thumb, bend this up and out. Step up and draw that again. Now I'm going to leave a gap and draw another curve for the bottom edge of the elbow pad. And we'll move up along the side of the body, draw another curve for the top. And now we'll finish off by signing our art and adding a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw the edge from the WWE. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. And if you're a wrestling fan, you might want to check out this video over here. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.